Okay, what's up guys, my guitar is back with an episode of lesson. Okay, so for this lesson I'm going to show you 4 highlights improvisation, 4 highlights that you can improvise whenever you're playing over the 1-4-5 chord progressions. Okay, I know highlight have been a very awesome music so far. A lot of beginners normally go with highlights so you can know how to improvise very well. Okay, so today I'm going to show you 4 licks you're going to improvise when you're playing over there. Okay, so if you know that is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you will start anytime I upload a new video like this. Alright guys, so if you like the video, you can smash the like button. If you have any comment, any challenges, you can put in the comment section. We'll give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay, and if you want to join my personal online class on WhatsApp, you can chat me up the WhatsApp number there on the screen. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Alright guys, so without wasting much of time, let's go straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to do the lesson in the key of F. Okay, so this is the key of F, the second string. You have it here on the 6th string. Okay. Okay. So you need to learn your improvisation. You need to learn your scales in all the octaves, okay, all the keys in Java, so you can be able to improvise very well, okay, as a guitar. My life progression is always on the 1, your 4, then your saw, which is your 5 chord, okay. So most time a lot of people likely add the minor note there, which is the kind of the Va, okay, but it's the kind of a C major note, okay, or you can play like this. So the number 1 licks you could play over the 1-4-5 highlife strings here. Okay. So I play the Do, So, Re, Fa, Mi. Okay. Do, So, Re, Fa, Mi, Do, La, Do. Okay, remember the 7th, the dominant 7 there, which is the Do, is very, very important when it comes to a high life section, okay? Okay, La, Do. Then I play Re, Mi, Fa. Now going to my Va chord. So I add the dominant 7 there over the B flat, because the Va there is a kind of a B flat chord. So I add the dominant 7, which will be more in the key of F, okay? Which will be more in the key of F. Okay, then I go to my saw chord, okay? Now hold my saw. I strum from the Re, So, Ti, Re, So, Ti. Then I add the Va, okay? So that is number 1 lick. So the number 2 lick, you can play something. Okay, you just so I play a double note. So you need to make sure you know your double strings, okay? Your dual notes. Okay, so I play Do, but I pick it from under, okay, something like this. Okay, then I play my La, I hold my Va, add the To, then number 3 legs is okay, so I play from the Mi Va Sol Ti Do Re Ti Do Re. Okay, Mi Va Sol Ti Do Re Ti Do Re. Then I play La To Mi Va. Okay, La To then Mi Va. Then hold my Va. I add the To to make it sound better. Okay. Okay, so that is the third lead. So the fourth lead is okay, I play so I play Do So Mi. Okay, so I play So Mi La Re Mi Do Re Ti. Okay, La Do then Mi Va. Okay, so those four is going to sound better, going to sound cool. The way you improvise over the Highlife section, over the Highlife zone, okay? Okay, so guys, that could sound better, sound cool. So if you don't understand, leave me on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.